Hi guys, greetings of the day. Welcome to my YouTube channel for learning a subject called Fluid Power Engineering for 5th semester and Fluid Power Systems for 7th semester as per VTU syllabus. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, kindly subscribe. Also click on bell icon to receive latest lectures as and when it is uploaded in my YouTube channel. Now let's start the session number 36, which is a continuation of accumulators part. Now let us discuss accumulator as a leakage compensator. In this application, the accumulator is used to compensate the system for internal or external leakage. The figure shows the circuit diagram of such an application. Here, accumulator is used in conjunction with 4 by 2 manually operated spring return direction control valve and a pressure switch. Upon working, when the pump is switched on, it changes both the accumulator and the system. When the pressure in the accumulator and the system reaches the set pressure, the pressure switch opens automatically and cuts off the power supply to the electric motor driving the pump, and the motor stops. Then the accumulator supplies oil to compensate for leakage in the system. When the pressure in the system drops to the minimum pressure, the switch makes contact and restores the power supply to the electric motor until the system has been recharged. The use of accumulator as a leakage compensator saves electrical power and reduces heat in the system. Next, we'll discuss one more type of accumulator, which is accumulator as an emergency power source. Some of hydraulic system demands for the retraction of cylinder as a safety measure when the normal supply of oil pressure is caused either due to failure of pump or power supply to electric motor driving the pump stops suddenly. In such emergency situation, the accumulator supply oil and retracts the cylinder. And the figure shows on the right hand side of the slide the hydraulic circuit where the accumulator used as an emergency power source. In the circuit, an accumulator is used in conjunction with solenoid operated spring return 3 by 2 direction control valve. When the direction control valve is energized, it is actuated and oil flows to the head end of the cylinder. The rod end of the cylinder is provided with a check valve and the accumulator. The accumulator gets changed during extension of the cylinder. When there is a failure of pump or motor driving the pump, the solenoid gets de-energized and the spring returns to the direction control valve to the normal position. This results in oil stored in accumulator flowing to the rod end and retracting the cylinder. Solenoid actuated direction control valve is used so that the solenoid gets automatically de-energized. Then we will discuss the last concept of this topics, that is accumulator as a hydraulic observer. A hydraulic shock absorber is also called as water hammer, which is a phenomenon that occurs in a pipeline carrying fluid at a relatively high velocity is suddenly stopped or decelerated by choosing a valve suddenly. This results in high pressure pulsation creating compression waves at source and travels at sonic speed up and the stream to the end of pipe and back causing the increase in line pressure. The high pressure rapid pulsation may damage the components used in hydraulic system. This compression waves travels back and forth in pipeline until its energy is dissipated by friction. This high pressure pulsation can be reduced or eliminated by installing an accumulator near the suddenly closing valve, and the accumulator acts as a shock absorber which suppresses the high pressure pulsation. The figure in the slide shows the hydraulic circuit where an accumulator is used as a shock absorber. And these are some assignment questions. If you could able to answer these questions after watching this video, I can assure you that you have understood the concepts very clearly and thoroughly. And thanks for watching this session and your patience listening to the session. If you have any sort of doubts, feel free to use the comment section for further discussion. I will answer all your questions related to the core topics covered in this session. Till here, we have completed 3 modules as per syllabus. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have a great day. Signing off, Vijay Tavardhan.